Welcome to another episode of Travel Guru TV, TGTV, and today I'm reporting from the Best Western plus NorWester, Thunder Bay, Ontario, Canada. And I will give you guys a quick room tour. We're in room number 209, and I will show you guys the room quickly. So far, it's been a pretty good first impression. It is a Best Western, so it's not high end, obviously, but the lobby is nice. There's a lot of Native American or Native Canadian artwork all over the hotel, so it definitely has a unique type of feel to it if you're from the city or from somewhere else. Yeah, but everything is clean. Our room is a decent size. This is the bathroom here with the bathtub. As you can see, everything's pretty clean. Unfortunately, I wasn't able to take a video before we settled because we're here for a wedding and we were rushing. So unfortunately, our stuff is in here, but I tried to show you guys the room the way it looked like when we came. So you have a pretty good sized flat screen TV here. It's pretty flat. Yeah, the check-in was smooth. Service has been good. One thing I do like about this room is the size of the fridge, which I will show you now. So it's a good size fridge. So this was not stocked, so we put the Powerade and the water in there. But yeah, it's a good size fridge. Little freezer in there. So if you're staying in Thunder Bay for a little bit longer and you want to prepare your own meals or whatever, this is a great option. They even have a blue recycling bin in here. You don't see that too often. Air conditioning. And then here, this is like one big joint balcony. That's the main entrance there. And yeah, this is February, Thunder Bay, Canada. Lots of snow, as you can see, really cold. Yeah, so this balcony kind of wraps around the whole building. I'm not sure if I can even get out there. Oh, maybe I can. Let's give it a shot. Man, this thing is very secure. Yeah, I'm not sure if I can get out there right now. I'll do it next time. It's too cold anyway. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this little room tour. Room 209, Best Western Plus, NorWester, Thunder Bay, Ontario, Canada. So far so good. I have nothing negative to say about the property. There's actually a pool here, and an indoor pool, and I did see a jacuzzi / hot tub section, so that's pretty cool. There's a restaurant that we haven't checked out yet, but yeah, so far so good. I hope you guys enjoyed the room tour. Do not forget to subscribe. Don't forget to like this video. There will be many more videos coming in the near future, so I look forward to you guys watching those videos. Peace.